So this video, I think I'm actually going to talk about things that I don't know or am still uh, working out, working on personally. So there's a dilemma. So what I, you know, what I really want to do, what I value is I want to do things that everyone else thinks is impossible. But the problem is, it's like it requires thinking and technology that doesn't exist. So if I give the information for how to do it, or the ideas I have, then other people can do it, and then I don't get to be the first person that does it. And that's like the whole point, is I want to be able to like get ahead and have these things so that I can experience for a little while, like, you know, being the first at that thing. Which I guess the way to get around that is, you know, if it's something that is meant for just me, then it'll be first anyway, or there's something I'm already doing first. um, it's just, you know, the whole point is I don't want to do something that people think is possible. Like for instance, you know, I want to be able to, you know, go Super Saiyan, fly, like, you know, have these like, you know, powers and like magic that just, you know, isn't there, and like it gets that reaction when you say it of like, you know, this guy's not necessarily I don't want people to say that, you know, I'm crazy, but like the type of things that like if you were to say it, someone would be like, no, there's no way you can do that, and then like actually do it though. Like, but it becomes less interesting, and I want to do it less when people are already starting to figure out how to do it, or they, you know, it's already a thing like people are kind of working on, or they already kind of get it. And when I see like other people being able to do it, it makes me want to do it less. Like, so I guess it makes the whole like providing value thing hard, because it's like, then it's like I have to, it kind of feels like I have to make a decision about like how much information to share and how much to keep to myself so that I can actually do it, because people are smart. Like, you know, if you say the little tiniest, smallest thing about what you're planning, and then all of a sudden there's, you know, 5,000 people or more already, like for instance, or another thing, you know, if I take all this time to pick out like an outfit on RuneScape, and then I spend all that time, and what I get for it is someone comes up to me and asks, you know, what outfit is that you're wearing? And if I just go ahead and just tell them, then okay, they can wear it, and then I'm gonna see on every world other people wearing it, and then there's goes all the work I did and all the uniqueness. You know, like, but I guess the idea is to do something that you can give the information away, and then they still can't do it because it's your thing. I don't know. I think, there's just, I get that, but I don't know. There's still things I have to work out about that, I think. And I know if, um, if I'm a tourist rising, then how, I would be providing value would be through Gemini-like things. And since it has to do with communicating and like skills of hands, I figured, you know, doing videos and Gemini's brainstorming too, right? So like, you know, through my ideas and, you know, like combining those, maybe like putting my ideas onto like guitar music and talking about like the things that I'm skilled at. Because if I was already the person where that was the case, then that's what I'd be doing, is I'd be talking about how, you know, what I did, or like how I was doing, like recounting my experience with it, you know. And I don't know if it's about like feeling like above other people or anything, but it's just like it